What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to cover a lot. This is update for big project. 2 locomotives, Deutsche Reichsbahn BR17 made by Rocco, old school, no DCC, are going to work together on consist and pulling passenger cars. And that whole thing is going to the modular layout, and who knows what kind of quality of the track and contacts and stuff. So I'm putting capacitor like energy saver for Zimo decoders. So here we go, what we have. We'll start with Kapton tape, like AK. You pushing that Kapton tape? Yes, because I'm not using electrical tape or any different tape, masking tape or whatever tape. This is the right tools and actually materials to use. So I'm using that caliper, and this is MX600 sound decoder made by Zimo. So, and now here we go. I try to avoid any cutting of the weight or any like huge modification of the body when it's the weight in charge. So here we go. That's the tender. I already figured out how I'm going to add new and better pickups. That's no problem. But ready? Ta-da! That's the decoder. So I watch a lot of video, and thank you, customer, show me, like send me links to different ones. Mostly guys cutting the weight. I did a while ago when decoders were like much bigger and non-sound as well. The problem with those Rocco, the material they're using, very I should say, it's a lot of resistance when you're cutting it, and it creates tremendous of heat. So that's it. That's the body. So print and everything here. So it's not good for the paint anyway. So maximum what I'm going to do, I'm going to make that hole bigger for the wires. Now, second thing, capacitor is going to here. My original plan was to go to the boiler, so I need throw another 2 wires, which is of course extra complicity, but that's it. And it will be here like 2 contacts for the motor, because the body is actually holding the motor. There is like small gasket, but that's it. So I'm going to glue this with I have a special like sealer, that capacitor, so there's no vibration or anything, and the speaker is going in the boiler actually up front. All right, so I figure out already lights, and this is how that thing helps me a lot. So we just, this is temporarily, let's move it here. And I'll show you the progress of this. Yeah, this is good Kapton tape. Who developed it? Somebody for NASA, I think. So I'm not going to use this, just remove it. But I need to show you something real quick. Okay, so here we go. That decoder has protection, of course. You can take it out, no problem, but you need to put the new one. So this is about, I'm in millimeters guys, I cannot do it in inches. So anything inch and bigger, no problem. Less than an inch, I have a problem. So no problem with the metric. So this is about 3 and 9, almost 4 millimeters. Here we go. So 4, and then 2 of these getting kind of together, that's your digit after the point. Okay, so let's say 5 millimeters in this cover. Okay, and now that's what helped me a lot. And this is right now, just trust me on this, 3 and a little bit over 3.55. So let's say 3.6. Yeah, see the difference? Tremendous. And that's helped me a lot. So what I did, there is a pin exactly like this here. I already cut it out. If I need more, I can just a little bit clean that space, but I'm good. And I'm going to use like double-sided tape for computers. I'll show you stuff like this. You can remove it easily. Okay, and it's very, very sticky. All right, so this is it. And then I use my caliper, so I'm measuring depth. So that's to the end of the weight, something like this. It's 5 and about 3 millimeters. So I have plenty of room for wires, and it will be good. So I'm going to insulate the top. I'm actually going to insulate both sides, but I still have with the Kapton tape, and that will take care of the issue with the contact, because again, it's just sitting on that body. It's not connected to any truck pickups. Sometimes like Fleischmann, you need to watch for it, but Fleischmann is part of Rocco right now. So this is supposed to be neutral, but just in case, maybe it's overwhelming, but I'm putting just piece of tape here. Make sure I have maybe I'll make another hole or make the bigger one. Yeah, but just insulate the whole thing. Here's update. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership or buy me a coffee. Have a good one. Bye bye.